and I recently took a short break to one of my all-time favorite cities, Udaipur, but this time the experience felt extra special, peaceful, royal, and just so beautiful. This time I stayed at the Lalit Lakshmi Vilas Palace, and now I have been to Udaipur quite a few times and stayed in some really good properties. But this one was just on another level. It gave off such a regal vibe. It was built in 1910 by Maharana Fateh Singh and is right in front of the Fateh Sagar Lake. And the view of the lake from the palace, especially during the sunset, was just amazing. We all know sunset in Udaipur is such a vibe, but this one was cherry on the cake. It was so quiet and peaceful, even though the hotel is right in the middle of the city. When we entered, they welcomed us with Tulsi Mala, which instantly gave a traditional and spiritual feel. And the most surprising thing, the hotel has no lift, as they want to preserve its original heritage structure. Every small detail, like from AC remotes to doors and lights, everything is just pure heritage themed. For dinner, we went to Padmini restaurant, which is right inside the Lalit, and their special Rajasthani thali was bursting with flavors. Also, the hotel booklet mentioned that this palace was made in the memory of Queen Padmini. After soaking in all that royal vibe, we thought of stepping out and exploring the local side of Udaipur. And of course, little shopping was a must, as Udaipur is very well known for its beautiful block printed cotton fabrics, and that's when we found one store called Soma. Soma is an elegant showroom with beautifully handcrafted ethnic wear for both men and women, plus some gorgeous home decor items like cushions and bed sheets. I picked up one beautiful indigo colored outfit made up of their signature cotton, and let me tell you, even in 40 degrees Celsius, it kept me so cool and my skin literally thanked me. That's when I realized just to look fashionable, we often wear clothes that aren't even comfortable and suffocates our skin. But this, it was so light, breathable, and soft on the skin. Honestly, nothing like the regular cotton we usually find here and there, and Udaipur's cotton is on a whole different level. Before I wrap up, one last gem I have to mention is Callisto Cafe. This place was such a vibe. The moment we stepped in, I loved the cozy aesthetic atmosphere, and the food, it was delicious, and cleanliness was 10 on 10, and talking about the staff, it was so polite and welcoming. So it's a perfect place to wind down a day after exploring Udaipur. So this was my little escape to Udaipur, from heritage luxury to local shopping and yummy food. So if you are planning a trip to Udaipur, definitely keep these spots on your list, and if you have already been, then let me know your favorite memories in the comments. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.